How about an 80s classic here at Unique, especially in classics? 1985 Toyota Celica GTS convertible. Won't see a lot of these around yet. A little over 4,400 is all that were made in 1985. Underneath the hood, 2.4 liter, a 22 RE engine that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Now, as far as that engine on this one, it only has about 2,000 miles since it was rebuilt. Rings were replaced and gone through. The gentleman that did that is the consignor of this vehicle. I actually personally know him. If you got any questions, don't be afraid to shoot us a question on this car. He knows it quite well. Did the work himself. He is a retired technician. Also has done a lot of restoration projects. And actually kept a list of all the things that he did to this car and the parts that were put into it. Get in and drive it anywhere. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Take a good look at the front bumper. Of course the headlights are mechanical and we'll open. We're going to do that here later on when I start it up, let you hear it run. Of course these were shipped from overseas to the US as coupes and then converted to convertibles here in the US. Take a look at this. If you're familiar with these, still has the three-piece hard parade boot or convertible cover, if you will. Of course, these rear seat backs will also fold down for storage. And I suggest when you're running the power convertible top, you have those seat backs folded down. And yes, it is a power convertible top with the switch being right here in the center console, and then also power locks, also power windows. So this is a pretty nicely equipped one. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. AC was also recently gone through on this. Any of the components that need to be replaced were. It's been converted to 134. Yes, it does blow cold. And you can see the paint on this shows well also. It's black. Are you going to be able to find imperfections on it? Absolutely. But overall, paint does show nice. Another thing that was done while he was freshening this car up, I guess if you will, all the rims have been refinished, painted, polished. You can see the condition of those. They are very nice. Again, considering 80s era car. Take a look at the still pictures. There'll be a picture of each of those rims in with the still pictures. And let's go look at this interior. This interior is stock, FYI. This car shows a little over 120,000 miles on it. And we'll get the exact miles here for you in a bit. That is actual. ASC, of course, would have been the one in the States that did the convertible top and made the coupes into convertibles. So ASC, which is in the General Motors world, you have heard of them from doing like the Riviera convertible conversions. And as you can see, the interior shows well also. Yeah, you get a little wear here and there, but overall, again, for a mid-80s Toyota, about 120 rounds on it, it definitely shows well. We're going to fire this up, let you hear it run. That light you see is just the warning for having the door open. I'm going to pause this a second. I have the keys on the counter here, so let me pause this a second. Let me grab the keys. I want to start it up. We'll check that engine bay out. We're going to put the top up, let you see that. All right, we're back and have the key in, as you can tell by the beep. Warning chime. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Now, exact miles, 125,799. Sorry if I said 129 earlier. So 125, 799. But remember, just a little over 2,000 miles is all in the engine rebuild. There is also a folder of pictures that the gentleman that did the refreshing on this car and some of the rebuilding, there's pictures, tons of them, for anything that he did on the car. So he does have it documented, FYI. And again, a list of kind of parts and what he had done also. Of course, automatic transmission with overdrive. Get an idea of the condition of the dash. How many times do you see those just sun-baked, faded, and cracked? All right. And again, AC car, AC blows cold. Slip around to the back. It's very quiet, smooth running car. Alright, let me slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood. Let's at least check out the engine bay. And then we'll check out that convertible top. Alright, hood popped. And that reminded me when I walked around to the front, seeing the headlights. Let's go ahead and flip the headlight switch. So there you go. You can see the headlights do work, and they have been replaced, obviously quite bright. They've been replaced with a more modern, a lot brighter headlight than you would have got in this car in the 80s. So obviously safer to drive and definitely brighter so you can see better. Let's go ahead, show you what they go back down also. There they go. All right, now to the engine bay. 2.4 liter, fuel injected, the 22RE engine. And as you can see, nice, clean, tidy engine bay. As you can hear, very smooth running. And remember, AC has been converted and gone through. AC blows cold. You'll be able to see pictures of the bin, any of the body tag, and with the still pictures, over 100 pictures plus of this car online.
Here we have a 1985 Toyota Celica convertible. And we're going to take it for a little drive. The blower motor does work. One thing I noticed right away is I'm a little over 6 feet and I fit in this car comfortably. Both blinker indicators work. Pressure is about 3/4 on the gauge. Currently half tank of gas. Battery looks like it's about 14 volts. Temperature is straight up on the gauge. Tachometer, speedometer both work. Brakes work well and it brakes straight. Acceleration is what you would expect. Get a little typical wind noise around, I'm at 60 miles an hour right now. Radio works. Windshield wipers do work. Maybe a slight pull to the left going down the highway. Car handles really good. You can tell it's a light, small car. Easy to steer. Fun little car. They didn't make very many of these convertibles.
And here it is with the top up. Again, black fabric top. Glass rear window. Rear defrost. Free of any rips, tears, holes. Looks like it's in nice shape. Little wear area over here, I guess, but I don't know if I'd really even call that a hole. Just kind of a little wear area. If you need it to keep you dry or out of the sun, it is going to serve that purpose just fine. And really, how many times you can drive a car like this with the top up? But it's there if you need it. Remember, it is power top, functions as it should. 1985 Toyota Celica GTS convertible. Won't see one of these every day. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.